I think I figured out how to not be so yellow. Goodness. It only took me, what, like 2 full ass recipes? Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Instead of doing a Perrier recipe, we're going to kind of combine elements of things a little bit. The lovely, lovely homies at Bloom Motherfucking Farms, Boom Farms. That should be y'all's tagline, Boom Farms, because every time I said Bloom Farms, people, they thought I said Boom Farms. I mean, we can set up a meeting if you'd like. I'm an affiliate with them. I do have a cute little discount code. I love their tinctures, I love the vapes, I love all of their CBD products. My book was calling me. Hello, ma'am.
I don't want to go.
Girl, you have to. Oh my God. Okay, that was stressful. Homie Maya called. She ain't gonna be here till like 9, and it is now 5:30. She was gonna be in this, but she's not really, I don't know. And then the fucking fire alarm in the building went off, casual as fuck, and it had me paranoid thinking, what the fuck did I catch on fire? It wasn't me, it was just, they got problems. Let's get this shit together. My boy, my boy, my boy. My boy. This time, I actually genuinely do need the fucking recipe. I think what I was saying before Maya called me was, Bloom Farms, hit me up, slid in my DMs. I'm now an affiliate, an ambassador, whatever we want to call it, for their CBD products. I enjoy their tinctures. One of the things that I don't like about tinctures is the taste, and I mentioned that in one of my posts earlier in our Bloom Farms relationship. Hey, James, bless him. He reached out, he was like, hey, for taste, try putting it in like drinks and things like that. You don't have to really worry about that part of everything, but glad everything else is working out well. Like, I don't know why I didn't think about that. Smart. So, we're gonna go ahead and throw that in a slow cooker caramel hot chocolate. 'Tis the season, bitch. I got this recipe off Michele. I don't know who she is, but thanks. Good looking out, girl, you did the hard part. This recipe serves 2 cups, and we're just gonna throw in some CBD up in that bitch. Obviously, you can be like normal and just take the fucking tincture with you to like Starbucks or wherever you go get a warm drink. I, from working at a coffee bean and tea leaf, have learned that the only way chemistry works when it comes to any sort of difficultly solvent products such as powder, oils, hard to reduce. You can't mix powder into cold water, it doesn't work that way. You gotta do warm, hot water so it actually like blends up in that bitch. I prefer putting the tinctures in warm water or warm beverages. I love how I keep adding the H to the W's right now. Warm beverages, because in my mind, I feel like it's cooking in there better. It's not just sitting at the bottom. It could just be my paranoia, but it is what it is. Let's get started. We need 5 ounces of milk chocolate, or a mixture of milk and dark. I did milk and white, because we are an interracial household. Okay. It's rough around here. They got the water off. This is tragic. I'm about to have to boil some water just so I can wash some damn dishes. Hold up. Hold the fucking phone. Just gonna add in the water bottles just that I do have. Sorry, y'all get like a completely random ass. This is gonna be fine. We need 5 ounces. I wish I could write that out for you right now, right this second, but the measuring cup's dirty. I don't have any water in this complex at the moment because they shut it the fuck off for maintenance purposes. So here we are. I'm just gonna wait for the kettle to boil so I can wash my measuring cup. I'm gonna create some dish water. This is fun. How y'all doing? Actually, you know what? I can just set up the rest of this shit while we wait. We have 3 cups of milk, a 4th caramel candies. I took a trip to Trader Jose's. I was like, you know what? I've been at, obviously, let me rephrase this entirely. So, the last 2 recipe things that I did, but with Perrier, I went to Ralph's to look for the ingredients. This time I went to Trader Jose's. I assumed, I'm like, they'll probably have most of the stuff. I know that they won't have all the things depending on how nitpicky we're getting or how like intricate the actual recipe is. Besides like a couple of ingredients, and it wasn't even for this drink, it was for other drinks, they were pretty on point. So I got these Fleur de Sel caramels. to the cell caramel. You focus on this, you ain't gotta focus on this glass. It's a fourth a cup, so I have my measuring cup. It's a fourth of a cup. And we're just gonna unwrap these little ditties. Hold on. Wow, I'm gonna be eating them. Go try. That is some good shit. I have to like suck on it. I hate myself. That's the only way I can do it at the moment because I can't chew on them because they get stuck up in the gums and the teeth. Kettle's done, bitch. And because we need warm water, not boiling hot water. And I feel like a real basic, and I'm mad. I'm using up all this good Brita water. That was hot. That was really hot. Oh my God. I feel like I'm in an Oregon Trail or some shit. I'm just gonna leave this on, just in case. That's what my grandma used to do. She would just leave the faucet, one of the faucets on, so you knew when the water came back on. But you know what's gonna be really annoying? When I move on to the next drink and I'm gonna need these same utensils. Ooh, thank God I got me a thick old Brita. Thick old Brita. Big thick, no. Big old filter. Oh, big booty, big old Brita. Hey, we did it. Now we can continue unwrapping our caramels. Fourth cup caramels. We're putting this on the stove, so I'm just adding it to my little pot. Next up on the list, oh, 5 ounces of milk chocolate. That's what we so stupid. Okay. And my dumb ass, by the way. I was not the smartest in my first Perrier video when I did the fucking milliliters to ounces. There's fucking milliliters. Where is it? Here. There is milliliters on this measuring cup. You live and you learn. And there's definitely a fucking difference between ginger beer and ginger ale. Ginger ale is much, much sweeter. So you gotta look at the meniscus. That's probably like 2.5. By the way, all of these items are from Trader Joe's. I think. Yes, except for the milk. Okay, I did 8 ounces, but it's gonna be a little chocolatey up in this bitch. Oh, I'm mad these motherfuckers done stuck to the bottom. Wow. That's fucked up. I just washed this shit. I'm about to use it again. We have 3 cups of milk. I'm gonna use my boyfriend's milk. It's good. It's still good. Haven't even been opened yet. It's lactose free, in case any of y'all were wondering. What is the expiration date? January 4th, 2020. We good. Okay, so this measuring cup only holds 2, and then 1 more. Way too much for this fucking pot. We're just gonna use this guy, this cute little fashionable homie from Ross. We're gonna put you to work for the first time. Let's see if I can transfer this safely. Just when I thought I was really about to really fuck the fuck up. I don't know how, but we done did it, y'all. That's in there. Milk's in there. Last little bits. And then we just need the vanilla, which is right here, alcohol free. One teaspoon. Just leave it on the stove for 2 hours. Have I been standing up straight? I probably haven't. Fuck it. Fuck it. I give up. I'm just gonna do shit on my phone. I tried to keep it OG. Okay, so we're gonna put a 2-hour timer, and I'll come back to y'all in 2 hours. Let me clean up the mess that I have made. Hopefully by the time we come back at 7:46, we can actually use some fucking water. What the fuck is that? Do you know how aggressive you sound? Stop. I love how I turned this shit all the way off, and then I remembered a whole fucking I'm done, goodbye, deuces. Completely forgot the fucking tincture. So this one is the 600 milligram tincture from Bloom Farms. It's the Relieve tincture. I'm gonna go ahead and drop, I don't want to put half a bottle. I'm tempted, but I won't. I'm just gonna put like, we'll put like 4 or 5 drops. So we did 4 drops of 50 milliliters, 60 milliliters each drop. We gonna get nice and chill the fuck out. Okay, now we gonna pray that I have hot water by the time I come back. It has now been 1 hour, 20 minutes. I'm just gonna double check on it, look at it. Where is the motherfucking mic? Okay, you know what? I hope I'm not covering it. Anyways, this is what we look like right now. I feel like I should probably add a little more milk because she's thick. So I'm gonna do that. This is just, ooh, okay, I did that. Right now it's just like liquid chocolate. And I think adding a little bit of milk will help. Okay, that was more than I thought I was going to add, but that's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that. Let that be for another one. I wish I knew where the microphone was. I still don't fucking know. Had this camera how long? Half a year? Okay, there's 37 minutes left, so we'll check back in. Technically, it's been like an hour 40 since I last saw you. 7:40. Okay, so okay, it's like 2 hours. It's now, like now is the time that I'm supposed to be taking out our hot chocolate little mixture, but I needed to go pick up some things. I picked up some miracle bitch. We'll do this again. We're gonna do this again. You bitch got ready with. One more time. Your bitch got ready with. That is hard to fucking say. And my hair's all frizzy again. See, this is why I don't go outside, y'all. It was cold. And marshmallows. And then to-go cups. Why? Y'all saw my dirt. It's too late. This room's so gross. I need to organize. We got marshmallows. Yeah, we're gonna do the whole thing. It's gonna be fun. I have caramel too. Oh. Y'all. But I just started the timer back up. I put our hot chocolate mixture back on. Regardless, here we are now. She thick, she bubbling. Some sticking. See, she's just bubbling a lot. That's why I'm like, I'm just gonna add, it's so thick. She's so thick. Okay. Whisk it, baby, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it, bitch. Okay, I love how just adding bitch to anything just puts just such a, it's not necessary, of course, but it's a twist. Just a nice spin. This is now gonna be well over the original serving size, which was 2. I might have you. Maybe I should try some. This is going to be hot. It's not that hot. She's good, but she's just thick. It is thick ass hot chocolate because it is chocolate chips, probably a density difference. That's just rich. That's a rich bitch right there. There's a rich bitch up in that. Imagine if it wasn't slow cooked, like, cause it was bubbling. I'm adding more milk. Like, personally, when it's super rich like that, I can't have a lot of it. It's too much. I need to water it down a bit. Hoping the milk will help do that, but we'll see. Either way, I mean, I'll leave it as is. I look absolutely insane. How can over like a period of a couple hours can just everything just and get oily? It is what it is. You just can't. I'm just saying I can observe it now, and the light is not that flattering. I need to stop being so insecure. Who the fuck is that? I'm not that bitch. I am not the insecure bitch. I am who? I'm a boss ass bad bitch, getting her money, making her papers. Okay. Living her life, doing what she can. She's learning, she's growing, she's flourishing, she is abundant, and she is grateful as fuck for all of it. That is who the fuck I am. Okay, sorry, I just had to have a moment to check myself. Okay, I might look crazy right now, but when the fuck have I not in any other video? Literally the fucking last one. It was just, you saw the illusion like at its height, and now we just see it just going down. My point was, right before I left to go get the marshmallows and the ready whip, that's why I didn't pronounce it right. I noticed the pot was doing some little funky little two-step, and so I was like, something's happening. I'm not leaving, and I'm not letting this place burn down. Can't afford it. My renter's insurance is not gonna cover it. I double checked to see what it was, and it was bubbling like a motherfucker, so I just teetered the pot a little bit, but then I decided, no, I'm not gonna risk it, even though it's literally at the lowest setting for the stove. So that's why I probably shouldn't have used as many fucking, oh. Time to zoom, y'all. Bye. Yeah, I turned it off, and then I came back, and here we are. So I'm just gonna let it have a little bit of air. Shouldn't have put as many chocolate chips in there, like that's what I meant to say earlier. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab a new battery, and I'll see y'all in 11 minutes and 39 seconds. Okay, it has now been like 15 minutes or so. she's done. She's done. She's done. I tried it. Her, she's sweet. She's not as vibrant as previously. I had boiled the kettle because I have caramel sauce. I want to warm it up, but I don't like putting glass in the microwave. For some reason, it just stresses me out. So, also, I got fucking chocolate on my pants. Didn't get that on camera, but got it on my pants. Not really sure like how I should transfer. I don't think I have a vessel for it. That's the problem. Oh, I got thermoses. But I don't have like a in-between transfer. Christ. Okay. We have oat milk. It needs to be lower than me. All these tall ass motherfucking counters. Oh, so that splashback hit my chest. That hurt. Oh, and it felt almost to the top. That's why I shouldn't be touching. Okay, okay. Now let's leave that here. Nice and liquidy. This took much longer than anticipated. And it's 8:30 already. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Okay. Oat milk filled with hot chocolate. Caramel sauce. Marshmallows. And ready whip. She thick. She cute. She thick. We're just gonna not do too much for aesthetic purposes. Marshmallows first. Hops. When you just overcompensate, you get insecure and you overcompensate. Me. This is not for those worried about dietary things. Ooh, no. No, we're not just gonna do that. We're gonna be smart. We're gonna spoon it. This one's my fave. Aesthetically, and it has CBD. Cheers. That's a dessert. That is strictly a dessert. And Max, I haven't eaten anything today. I had half a sweet potato. I gotta go eat. What a fucking delicious, wow. You don't need that many marshmallows. I'm about to go into a diabetic coma. Thank you, Bloom Farms. Thank you, oh, shit. Karina Michele, Katrina Michele, Catherine Michele. This is why you cite your sources. Christina Michele, did I say that? Anyway, I need to go. I need to actually have dinner. I need to not eat this, but it's warm, so I feel like I should. Hope you guys like this, kind of, I don't know. Yeah, let me go eat some real food. Let me eat, yeah, I need to get. Where is it at? Testing. Here. Is it here on the left? Can you hear me? Is it muffled? How about the right? Is it muffled on the right side? Where's the mic? Where's the mic? Hey, hey, hey.